Hello guys and everyone, my name is John Jericho Kadag and I'm in BTELEC 4C. BTELEC 4C. My 4-letter MBTI personality type is ISFJ, stand for I for introversion, S for sensing, F for feeling, and J is for judging, which is known as the defender. My realization are drawn from my personal reflection on the ISFJ type. I strongly agree with the feeling preference. I find that my decisions are almost always rooted in my personal values and how they impact others. I instinctively seek harmony and support over conflict, which is why I often take on the role of the mediator among my friends. A good example of this preference and my judging preference working together is how I approach group tasks. I don't just create a schedule. I make sure that everyone's roles is clearly defined and comfortable for them before we finalize the plan. The one result that surprised me that was the sensing preference. I thought I might be more abstract, but I realized now that my focus on concrete facts, details, and practicality rather than theoretical possibilities is a genuine strength of mine. Looking ahead, my biggest takeaway is understanding my own needs. As an ISFJ, I am prone to putting others first, so I will use this self-knowledge to make sure I schedule time for myself and prioritize my well-being so I can continue to support others effectively. And thank you.